You gotta quick, because after a couple of swirls, she goes back down to commando because she goes quicker that way.
Oh my goodness, it's crawling, it's crawling, yay, it's crawling. Come on, Fei-Fei. Come here, my love bunny. Yay, so excited. Come here, Chubba Bubba. Look at you go. Next step, a job.
He can sit there all day and play fetch.
Yay, good job.
We almost took out the coffee maker. We almost had to buy a new Keurig.
Come here. Come to you, Lauren. This is so exciting. It's leaving. Good job. Keep it moving.
She's about to go commando. She's trying hard now to stay up on her knees. She's getting quicker, Max. She's getting the hang of it.
All the way down there. And she's done.
She's trying to get back up on her. Now she's going to tip over.
Hi, Boo Boo. Hi, Boo Boo.
See, yeah, I got this. You know what?
Come on, come here. Come to Aunt Lauren. Come here, lovey. Come here, lovey. Get it, girl. Come on, move your crawly. You're crawling like a warrior. Come on. Move your booty. Yay, come on. Why are you crawling like a cripple? You're crawling like you're in the army. Get on your knees.
What?
Man.